Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing Leetcode's design browser history problem. In this problem, you have a browser tab open in which you can go to the next URL and the previous URLs. The previous URLs are known as history and the next URLs are known as forward. Uh, so we have to make a browser history class in which there are four functions. First, we have browser history. These initializes the home page. And we have visit in which it visits the next URL from the page we are currently at. Uh, and next we have back function in which we move back number of steps. It is also written in here. Uh, and forward in which we move forward in the history of the browser tab. Yes. Uh, So this is the question. So it's like this. When we open any tab and we go back, this is the back function, and we go forward, this is a forward function. And when we click another URL, uh, like this, we click this. So it's this is what the question states. We need to go back and we need to go forward in history. So uh, to solve this problem, we will make a vector or string as the input type is string like this. Browser first the browser history is defined, then visit uh, visit leave. So first the browser history at Leetcode, then visit Google, then visit Facebook, then visit YouTube, and back by one page, back by one page, forward by one page, and then visit LinkedIn, and then forward by two pages, and then back by two pages, and then back by 7 pages. So this is the output. So to implement this function, we will first make a string that is pages. Let's name it pages, and we will define two pointers. Uh, two pointers. First is index, which will be started -1, and a max size of 0. Okay. Now we will start the home page browser history. Now as the states mm, so now as the states when the browser history is made, we just need to push this in pages dot push back uh, pages dot push back home page. Then we will do index plus plus and max size equal to 1. Then the index is at 0. Now the next visit function. Now visit function has two possibilities. If we go if the if the index wait a second, if the index is less than pages dot size -1, if the index is not at the last index, then we will do in first we will do index plus plus, then we will do pages index equal to the next page will be equal to the URL, and max size equal to index plus 1. Else, if this is the last page, then we just have to do pages dot push back what URL, and then index normal index plus plus and max size plus plus. Now we have to make the back function. When we need to go back, that is the function. First we will define in this back function, if the steps are more than the current amount of indexes, we need to take the minimum. So, like if the minimum, if the uh, size of pages is, if the history is only of 3 steps, and we need to go back 10 steps, so we will just go back 3 steps, not 10 steps, because there is no other history back there. So we will make the first, so the first is minimum of we need to do minimum of steps and index, and we need to subtract that from steps, we need and return pages and index. Okay, uh, and then forward, when we go forward, we need to define a value, and it is minimum of steps, and the max size, the last page is max size -1 minus index, the current index we are at, and then we will do index plus equal to step val, and then steps, and then we will do return pages index. So, and to check if this is correct, um, we will run this code. Okay, there's this error. I think there is a mistake here. We do not need to go back steps, we need to go back val, as steps can be greater than the value, and it can return negative or overflow that. Hmm, yes, it is accepted. Now we will submit this question. Nice. Thank you. That's it from my side.